Welcome. In today's video we will look at the so-called geometric tolerances on technical drawings. The geometric specification of the product defines the shape, size and characteristics of the surface on the drawing, which answer the optimal function of the part. Production parts are measured and compared to the specification, while the designer's idea of the part, the method of production and the measurement of the actual part must be unified. The basic concepts of geometric tolerancing according to ISO standards can be proposed at the level of general principle, at the geometric level and the level of symbolic language. The general principle makes it possible to define the conditions of functional surfaces in the design process, to produce them in production and to check them by measurement. It includes a concept proposing functional specification and an assessment of whether the functional specifications are complied with. In the design phase, the requirements for functional surfaces are expressed by geometric boundaries with respect to perfect ideal elements. Dimensional tolerancing. Limit deviations of length dimensions determine only the actual local dimensions of the element in 2-point measurement and do not determine deviation of its shape. For example, the deviation of circularity and straightness of a cylindrical element, or the deviation of the flatness of the two parallel planes. Shape deviations must be determined individually by prescribing a shape tolerance, general geometric tolerances, or a condition of the packaging area. The existence of a physical pair of points is necessary for the use of dimensional tolerance. From the dimensional tolerancing case in this figure, it follows that the 4-dimensional tolerances do not have a standardized designation. The 2 dimensions of 12 mm and 29 mm for the location of the cylinder axis with respect to the 2 planes are from the environment of limited dimensional tolerances to the cylinder surface and 2 parallel planes. A pair of opposite points does not exist even for dimensions of 14 mm and 18 mm between 2 parallel planes. That's it for today's video. In the next video we will take a deeper look at the geometric tolerances. Have a nice day and bye.